stay out here and move into my own place, then I'm going to leave.
But I feel like if you research it, you could definitely find something and just make sure you don't. If you do end up staying here, you just make sure you leave sometime in the next few years or something.
I just feel like I'm not good at making those plans, you know? I mean, I can make them, but it doesn't necessarily mean I'll follow through. And I feel like, you know, so much of our lives is driven by convenience now, you know, that I'm just going to want to stay here because it's easy, you know, or because I get a good job. And I just feel like I could get a great job and it could be fantastic, but then, you know, where do I go from there?
You gotta just figure out you gotta think about more what you want to do. Like, I know you really want to do theater, but you really have an interest in psychology. You should look into that.
I feel like with that stuff, like, it would be really, really great and really rewarding, but it's like, I have my own problems too, you know? I really don't know if I can handle the stress of dealing with other people's emotional issues.
There's a lot more mentally soothing places. New Hampshire, I feel, versus Massachusetts.
Yeah.
So, like, I feel like
too much chaos.
yeah, there's a lot of chaos. There's a lot of energy, and it's not necessarily good energy too, because I feel like there's a lot of negative energy in Massachusetts, and I feel like a good energy place for you would be a good, just you'd be like a good nature setting, just like all natural a little bit.
But like, I mean, I was telling you how, like, when we went to Somerville and we looked at those apartments, like, there was a huge park in the middle of Somerville, and it's like got all these awesome rocks everywhere, and I could just like see myself meditating.
Yeah, I feel like I feel like you really know I feel like you really know what you need, and I feel like the city atmosphere is kind of dragging you out just because of the convenience, more opportunities for both theater and like stand-up comedy, and I bet you could find some like psychological whatever.
Well, not only can I go anywhere in and around the city, but I can take the commuter rail, you know, back up here whenever I want to. I can take it to Fitchburg, and then that's like 20 minutes from school. So I mean, you know, anyway, I'm coming back up here to see you.
Yeah, I feel got more comfortable with it now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like you seem to know what's gonna make you happy. You've already thought about commuter trails and going to just to the park and stuff.
Yeah. I mean, the only thing I don't.
I feel like you should just make sure you keep your connections up here with the school.
Oh, yeah,
with
yeah,
any like other
absolutely.
theaters that you can. So if you can just keep in contact with some people, even like later on, they might think of you, or you might contact them at a certain point when they just heard about something, and it's like, oh, what a wonderful connection. It's just a matter of either remembering to come back every once in a while, or just remember to come visit, or just like get out, like if you stayed.
I think it's really important for me to come back up here, because obviously this place has been a large part of my life for the past 4 years. I've got a lot of friends and a lot of people I care about, so I'll be back up here. I just like, I don't know, I look at the people who have stayed up in this area, and I just like, I don't want that kind of life, you know? Not that it's bad, or maybe a little more
That's like
boring.
one of them, just focus on getting something to help you survive for a while, and then get something better than that if you need to, or whatever.
I mean, I've saved a good amount of money this summer, but like I was talking to my sister, and it's not enough. Like, I mean, I'm gonna have to be working at least 40 hours a week the second I get there, if not more. But I don't know. I mean, I just gotta get my ass in gear and freaking do it. So,
Yeah,